Good morning, student. Today we are going to learn our new poem, Curiosity. Page number 36, poem number 17. Now, what is the meaning of a curiosity? A strong desire to know or learn something new. Now, in this poem, we're going to learn that how poet is excited about his question and he is asking that questions in which way. Now, I'm going to read this poem for you all. You have to learn this poem and you have to find out the answers of this question by using Google or Chrome. And also you have to complete your Google test, which is just after this, and you have to write this poem in your notebook twice, and you have to learn this poem. You have to write this poem in this manner, like you have to draw some pictures, you have to answer these questions, make it interesting, make it to look beautiful, draw some pictures, create your own ideas. Okay, you have to do this. This is your homework and your activity. You have to submit it to me by the next morning. Okay, now I am going to read this poem for you. Tell me everything. What makes it winter and then spring? Now, in this question, poet is asking how the winter and spring this season comes. You have to Google this question and answer it. Now, next. Which are the children butterflies? This is a question, again one question. Children butterflies. You have to Google this question and answer it. This is a very beautiful question. Okay. Why do people keep winking their eyes? Now, again, interesting question. So, see the excitement of poet. He's so excited for this questions and for its answer. So, next question. Where do birds sleep? In the nest. Right? Do bees like to sting? Now, what is the meaning of sting? Sting, a small sharp pointed organ at the end of the abdomen of bees, wasps, ants and scorpion. Okay? You have to Google these questions. Next. Tell me please everything. See, poet is asking all this question and he's finding these answers. These are some typical questions which we don't care about, but these are the very, very serious questions. We all want to know this. Okay, so please Google all these questions, write in your notebook and send it to me. Now, second paragraph. Tell me, I want to know what makes leaves grow in the shape they grow. Wow, what are you thinking? The shape of leaf. Poet is very curious to know how leaves grow in a particular shape of a particular tree. Second question, let's see. In the shapes they grow, why do goldfish keep chewing? Why do goldfish keep chewing? We have to Google this. Sorry. And rabbits wabble their nose. Again, wabble means sing softly and with a succession of constantly changing notes. Or you can say twitch or wiggle very fast. Just from habits, where does the wind when it goes away go? Tell me, or don't even grown-ups know? The poet is asking the questions to us that please answer me these questions, or I will think that you also don't know the answer of these questions. Children butterflies, young one of butterflies, rabble I told you that twitch or wiggle very fast. things to do. You have to mention this also in your notebook. First question: list any 5 questions that the child in the poem has. You have to write any 5 of them. List any 3 questions about birds, animals, or natural things that you have. The second question you have to write by your own. Third, where can you find the answer to your question? Write any 2 sources. Okay, you have to answer this question also. So attend the Google test again, watch full video, subscribe to the channel, and please like it. Thank you for watching this video.